So, you are tired of being poor and you are looking for some money magic. Then you have come to a right place. In this video, I am going to explain why compounding some money will help you to attract some more money. Simple as that. But as long as you come out to fancy places, purchase restaurant meals, or buy too much stuff for yourself, you will never be free nor rich, sadly. If you want to be wealthy, you have to plan your finances. You have to know where your money is going and from where your money is coming. Otherwise, you will be stuck in your casual, boring life, and maybe your dream is to build huge building blocks. Maybe your dream is to travel the world. Maybe you want to own a lot of real estate. Maybe you want to sponsor your own football team. Who knows what kind of dreams you have? But most often people are stuck in their lives because they do not have monetary funds to fund their dreams. They just don't have any cash to realize the secret sauce that they have cooking in their brain, and then they are just buying spaghetti in their casual restaurants and eat and goggling it up and not enjoying life. So what you can do? It's really simple. First of all, you have to find an asset to which you can invest or save your money. It doesn't matter how much you have, 100, 1,000, 10,000. You start directing your money flow that of purchasing your set of, for example, investment funds, assets, maybe a startup. You start gathering your money, and when you can invest your money into a place where it starts to grow, you will start attracting more money in your life. It's so simple, but most people fail. For example, when you have invested your 10,000 euros into asset bonds, for example, in the electrical vehicles, in silver bonds, and into S&P 500, and then your money starts compounding there, but you run out of your money. You have to purchase food for your family, and then you sell your assets, you sell your stocks. That's a huge mistake that you can make, because when you spend the money that is growing, you lose it all, and you have to start from beginning attracting some more. But if you're able to let your money grow and you don't touch it, you take only out the interest, you take only out the profits that your money is making. So your money is making babies, and you use the babies that your money is making. Only then you can become free and rich, and it takes time. There is no really quick scheme. Of course, you can try. You can try purchasing some random cryptocurrencies and hope it will bring you the desired fortune. It can work sometimes. But then there's another thing. You must take a calculated risk. I have taken numerous risks in my life, and always my risks, they pay off. Even when I feel like my inside is exploding and my life is going to end soon, how will we survive it? I have seen that it has always given me profit and taken me beyond all that I imagined in my life. And another thing that you could consider, if you are tired of eating spaghettis, go find yourself a mentor. When you have a little cash, try to put a little bit of it to work for you. You can also do different businesses. For example, you start drop shipping some random stuff. But my suggestion is you should be ethical about it, that you don't purchase some fucking crap from China and sell it with profit. Go try to find something quality. Quality always pays in long term. When you are just selling crap, then you will gather a reputation that you sell crap. If you are able to deliver quality, you will earn a reputation that you are a person of quality. You love quality products. You love quality lifestyle. Your wisdom is fulfilled with quality, you see. But if you try to be like this guy who is just purchasing shit crap and giving or selling it to other people, then that will be your reputation. But there's a big differentiation point in being frugal and purchasing crap. For example, I'm really frugal person. I do not want to spend my money on all kinds of things. But when I purchase something, I purchase myself a quality thing, and I need only one, that I do not have to replace it all the time. When I pick something, it will last for years. It will be in my servitude. That's why I choose my shoes, I choose my pants. I chose my home, and I built a quality home that it would last for years. So I could have my money with me, that I do not spend it on unexpected expenses. That's so important. You have to be strategic with the money, with the amounts that you are putting somewhere, and always try to put your money to work for you. Here's a reasoning that you can think about it. Should you own a new car or an old car? As we know that when you purchase a new car, the value of it decreases 20-30% after you drive it out from the shop. But you have guarantee for 5 years, and if you use it for 5 years and sell it and purchase another one, will you save your money, or will you purchase an old car and drive with an old car and put a lot of money to repair it and maintain your old car? Which one is more frugal for you? You must do your own calculations, but that's a really good thing to think about it. That's a mental exercise that you can exercise on many things that you're using and purchasing. Should you purchase first-hand or second-hand clothes, etc., where you can save your money, that you can make it work for you, that you do not have to eat your spaghetti portions all the time. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe, and see you soon in another mess of the city.